In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade futures on Plus500. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to click the trade section. This will open up multiple instruments on your panel, but before we jump in, let's explain what futures are. Basically, futures are contracts that allow you to speculate on the future price of an asset. Because if you type an instrument here and type in future, as you may notice, it doesn't give you any results, right? Because on Plus500, you are trading CFDs on futures, which means it includes indices, cryptocurrency, and Forex. So all I have to do now is click the All Indices and choose an instrument. I am going to choose UK 100, but before placing a trade, if I click on it, this will open a chart view at the bottom because you can add indicators if needed, like moving averages, RSI. Remember to never trade blindly, always have a strategy. And to place a trade, click Buy if you think price will go up, and click the Sell if you think price will go down. And a trade window will appear, showing the trade size, required margin, leverage, and a lot more. So I'm going to add a value here and always set a risk management. You can put a stop loss, which automatically closes trade to limit loss, and take profit, which automatically closes trade in profit. And all I have to do now is click the Sell button. Remember, you want to make sure that you have enough balance before you can proceed. Because once your trade is open, you can monitor it on the open positions. You can modify the stop loss or take profit and close manually. Because when you close the trade, your profit or loss is realized instantly. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to trade futures on Plus500. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.